Dear students, in this unit we will talk about nutrition and ecology, which means that we have to examine all the components of food chain and we have to evaluate their effects from four main point of view, like in human health point of view, the environment point of view, then at the point of view of the society and the economy. Now these components are of food chain are those involved in the process of food production and consumption, which means that not only we have to see which components of food chains are there, but we have to also see that what role it plays in the ecosystem. So this is very important, that we should have a balance between nutrition and the ecosystem so that none of them is disturbed and constant supply chain of the consumable is generated within the ecosystem for different organisms which are living inside that ecosystems. Now, this concept of nutrition and ecology has ancient roots, which means that in order to sustain the food chain, the animal breeding was started in the ancient times. People started to know that which breed of the animal can give more food as compared to the other breeds, or which can give more products, just like milk production and other things like wool, as compared to the selective breeds. So this resulted as a result of more conceptual clearing of this nutrition and ecology. Also, the agriculture system was also started in order to cater or fulfill the needs for having a proper food chain and to create a balance between nutrition and the ecology. Now, when we talk about the fungi point of view, most of the fungi they have mutualistic role, which means that they live in a mutual relationship with many higher plant species, and they provide them very useful nutrients, and in return they get food from those from the roots of those plants. Other than this, some of the fungi like mushrooms, they are a very important part of the food of humans. So they are also important component of the food chain. Because these fungus, they have they occupy an extensive the surface area, and their growth is quite rapid. This help the fungus to adapt to the absorptive mode of nutrition. This mode of nutrition help fungi to decay the dead material and dead organic material, which in return release carbon dioxide and other nitrogenous gases back into the air, which are then utilized by plants to synthesize food and other products, which can be important component of the this nutrition cycle. So this food cycle and the ecology is balanced, and fungi has a major role in creating balance between nutrition and ecology.